Joe told us that XOP is the most powerful extension point from his ABC, and you told us that you make a lot of money uh, scalping the Fib nodes.
Hi, I'm Joe DiNapoli. Welcome to the DiNapoli Leading Indicator YouTube channel. Your look into the future.
Hello traders, welcome to another broadcast here on DiNapoli Leading Indicators. Today we've got Pawel with us, and he's going to be telling us more about the OP to XOP or XOP to OP trade, also called the ping pong. So first of all, Pawel, welcome, and I want to ask you first, what led to you discovering this trade? Tell us a little bit more about the history of the trade first, before you show us how it works.
Yeah, so I need a trade for myself because in Joe's method we very often enter at OP and we got stop loss way below XOP. And for my account, it was too big stop loss, and I was thinking how to manage my trade correctly. I also was in your seminar, in Joe's seminar, and then I combined that Joe told us that XOP is the most powerful extension point from his ABC, and you told us that you make a lot of money scalping the Fib nodes. Yeah, so I combined it, and I thought to myself, what it could be if I will scalp the XOP, and I saw that it was very powerful setup, and I start doing research on it. I trade my own money in this, and this is setup which we can watch in many markets.
Yeah, well, that's great. So we talked about some massive ping trades on higher time frames in January on the DiNapoli forums. So maybe you can show us that, and maybe let's show the viewers what we talked about, and then you can show us what happened to those trades. So I'll let it over to you, and if I think of any questions, I'll just interrupt you.
Okay, great. Do you see my screen or not?
Okay, I can see your screen, Pawel. What are we looking at?
Okay, now we are looking at Meta. In beginning of 2025 year, I show the chart that Meta is at XOP, and we should be trading this from the long side very carefully, because there could be occur trade from XOP to OP, and in the later it occur. I will show you. So this is zoom from 3 months chart. So here is A, here is B, and here is point C. So you can see market touch XOP, goes against us, against our position, and then there was drop to the point OP. So we call this a trade pink trade. It's a trade from XOP to OP. And this trade, pink trade and Pong trade is a trade from OP to XOP, and you can see it didn't touch the OP, but there was good support from weekly time frame. There was A, B, C, it almost touched the OP, and there was really big move back to the OP.
Yeah.
So it was nice trade.
Okay, Pawel, thanks. Let's. I think for the audience, let me quickly just explain the OP to XOP trade. So you've got a A-B move, and you take the distance from point A to point B, and you multiply that with the golden ratio 1.618, and you project that up from point C, and that's how you calculate your XOP. So it's a Fibonacci number, and as you said, it's the most powerful extension that we've got on Joe's tools, and a really nice way to analyze and do some scalping in the markets, or even like higher time frame analysis like you're doing now. So I think, Pawel, you also showed another chart on that forum. Can you maybe quickly go back to that and show that to us?
Yes, there was second pink trade in higher time frame. It is in FANG index. So once again, we show that FANG index touch the XOP, and when market is in XOP, you should be taking profit in this point, and you should trade from the long side very careful or not trade. You should wait for the correction. So we mark that the FANG index is in XOP, and look what happened. So I will draw this.
Yeah.
Here is point A. Here is point B. And here is point C. And you can see market touched perfectly. Yes, it was XOP. It was perfect ping pong trade. From XOP, market went down to OP. OP give a support, and market back to XOP once again. So this is the textbook ping pong trade. Yeah, so ping trade from XOP to OP, Pong trade from OP back to XOP, and it happened in markets in every time frame.
Wow, that's fantastic. Maybe this might be a little advanced, but can you use just any ABC, or is there any specific ABC you look at?
This is we call this controlling ABC, controlling expansion. This is the first ABC which occur in given time frame. Yes, so here in this example, we got monthly, we got yearly ABC. This is the first ABC which occur in the chart. So this is most powerful ABC for us, and we watch this for pink trade. For pink trade, we use only controlling expansion. So this is the first ABC which occur in given move.
Yeah. And for those of you who wants to know more, there's once the XOP gets reached on a controlling, there's a whole set of rules on drawing the next expansion. So that's something we're going to leave for the seminars. But this is a really good example of a controlling XOP doing what it should be doing. I was thinking of something else, Pawel. I don't know if that's valid for this conversation, but how do you manage the trade, or where do you put your stop loss?
Okay. Stop loss is always in the market. It is a distance between XOP and OP, and catastrophic stop loss is way above XOP. This is big stop loss, but this catastrophic stop loss. And then during the trade, I manage the stop loss. So if market moves in my direction, 50%, I put stop loss in break even, and this is for safe trade. I prefer safe trade. So first stop loss is big, but then in a few moments stop loss is most likely in break even.
Okay, so you get your risk very to nothing or very quickly actually.
Yes.
And if it goes against you and not go to your disaster, is there anything else you do, or do you just leave the disaster stop there up at the
No.
stop?
I monitor the market. Let's use example in Meta. So you can see here market goes above XOP. Yes. So I look at the close of this bar. If the market close above this bar, I put more focus on this trade. And when the market close second time above XOP, I put my stop loss above this high. So the catastrophic stop loss is a little
smaller. Yeah, you make it smaller.
Make it smaller, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. So that's good. That's another way. So risk management is crucial in this trade, as with most trading. I was thinking of something else. Oh yeah. Have you done a lot of testing on this, like maybe 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 trades before you started trading it, or do you have some statistics, numbers on the trade, like what's our hit rate, what we can expect from this?
Yes, we got this on our forum. I do a lot of statistics about it. In a topic, you can search it in our forum. If you tap pink trade, here is the topic Pawel's pink trade. It was 2018. Yes, and here's a lesson for ABC from daily chart. 55% was winning, 80% was losing trade, 27 was break-even trades.
So basically 18% losers, and the rest was winning and breaking. That's an 82% winning ratio. That's really good.
Yeah.
So Pawel, you're gonna do another video for us on the channel, all about stress. So I know you've done a lot of research on that. Give us a little teaser. I think you mentioned you also wrote a book, so tell us a little bit more about that and what happened.
Yes, I write an ebook, The Art of Managing Stress and Emotion in the Financial Markets. This ebook is my knowledge about the stress, because I was really stressful trader when I start trading. For years I struggle, I hesitate. Many times I frozen during the trade. I lost a lot of money, and I start working with stress, because Joe's method works more often than I worked. So I start working with top Polish psychologists. They do me a program for me to how to manage the stress, how to deal with the stress, and now I am really good at it. And I want to share with other traders, because I know that a lot of traders got the same. The pressure, they can focus. It's too big stress, and they don't want to go to psychologists. It's too big for them. So I know I trade a lot. I know how to manage stress, and I want to help other traders to manage the stress and to deal with the stress.
Okay, wonderful. So you're going to tell us more about that in the next video. That's great.
Yes.
Well, thank you for today, Pawel. We're really looking forward to seeing you on the next one, and then keep up the good work.
Thank you, Peter. Have a great day, and for all the attendees, have a good trade. Trade well.
Thanks a lot. Okay, Pawel.
If you've gotten this far, you've seen at least one of our videos. We've been at this for 40 years. Long time. We've been teaching traders just like you. If you want to experience the amazing power of DiNapoli leading indicators, go to fibtrader.com. You'll find a variety of products there that'll help you learn this material. You know, everybody's got a trading solution for you. Best material possible, right? Well, we're the only ones with high quality, technical leading indicators. You can't find it anywhere else. We thought about this though, and we have a recommendation for you. First of all, the book is absolutely critical. You can't get away without it. Get the book, study the book, get on the forums. They're free if you buy the book, and get your questions answered. Then there's Peter Van Wyck's D-Level Financial Forecast. We think it's unrivaled as an educational source, and it's packed full of trading ideas in a variety of markets. But you're going to need some knowledge to understand it, and that's why we recommend you get the book and study it first. The links are below. Finally, right up there in the corner, there's an introductory video done by Peter Van Wyck. It's worth you checking out. Good luck and good trading.